Do you want to know how to scalp the market like a pro? Do you want to discover a secret scalping technique that can turn your trading account from red to green in minutes? Let's spice up your charts with the ATR Breakouts Indicator from the TradingView website. This indicator is the heart and soul of this strategy. However, you'll need to make some adjustments in its settings according to what I'm doing. The ATR Breakouts Indicator gives you the green light to go long or short when you see the long entry or short entry signals. But don't just jump into a trade based on an indicator alone. You need to look at the big picture and see what the market is doing. That's why I'm going to add another indicator to this strategy to help you catch the market trend. This way, you can boost your chances of winning and make some serious money from the financial markets. Let's add some flavor to our strategy with the colored EMA indicator. After you get it on your chart, go to its settings and copy what I do one by one to tweak it. This indicator is awesome at spotting the market trends. Imagine this: if the colored EMA line is shining green and the price action is rising and staying above it, the overall trend is on the upswing. But if the colored EMA is burning red and the price action is falling and staying below it, the broader trend is down in the dumps. So here's how we roll into a trade. If we're feeling bullish, we need a long entry signal first. Then the market needs to be on the rise. If these two things happen together, that's our go signal to jump into a long trade. Next, put your stop loss just below the recent low point. And aim for a target of 1.5 times the stop loss. And if we are feeling bearish, we need a short entry signal first. Then, the market needs to be on the decline. If these two things line up, that's our sign to hop into a short trade. Then, put your stop loss just above the recent high point and shoot for a target of 1.5 times the stop loss. Are you ready to see our strategy rock the market? We tested it on 100 trades over 15 weeks, and the results are mind-blowing. How about the 77% win rate and the whopping 308% profit? And guess what? Out of those 100 trades, we nailed 6 wins in a row and only had 3 losses in a row. Now, if you want to learn the secrets of protecting your money and staying away from trouble, you need to watch this video. I'm going to reveal a strategy that you can't miss.